Good morning, my name is Lukman Hakim. Today, I'd like to present my final thesis entitled Translation of Confucianism Ancestral Tablet, which I work with my supervisor, Professor Dr. Hermina Sutami. Ancestral tablet only owned by the families who adhere to the Confucian religion. The Han characters used are complex, Fatins, or traditional characters that are still used in Taiwan. The language used is not modern Chinese Xiantai Han Yi, but the classical Han Wen Yan Wen. The text is written lengthwise down or vertically. Read from the right to left. The structure and the vocabulary are different from those used today. The research problems are 1. What is an ancestral tablet or spirit nameplate? 2. What is the structure of the Han character composition written in the text? 3. How to read the text in order? 4. What does the sentence on the tablet mean? We have three methods that use in this research. First, translation from New Mark. Second, soul and spirit in Confucian religion from Chia Yen Hung, Granite, and Friedman. Third, pray to the ancestor from Kitab Lichi. Analysis. Question 1. What is an ancestral tablet or spirit nameplate? Ahern Emily in her book The Cult of the Dead in the Chinese Village argued that ancestral tablets have two functions. First, as a place of worship for people who have died. Second, as the ancestral hall. Question 2. What is the structure of the Han character composition written in the text? The writing on the spirit nameplate is always written in Han characters. Nothing has been written in Latin characters like on the tombstone of Chinese family. The ancestral tablet inscription used the complex character or fatits written vertical. Question number 3. How to read the text in the order? The vertical format is a hallmark of the classical Han, with the reading direction from the right to left. Question number 4. What does the sentence on the tablet mean? Han characters do not have a capital or lowercase form as in the Latin script. When they transcribe into Han Pinyin, the writer must know whether one character is one word or just one syllable. This is where the classical Han competence is highly required. In order to facilitate analysis, the vertical character positions are written to be horizontal. There are three authors in the tablet. Lane 1 is about the place and the date of the table. Lane 2, it explains about the person who owned the tablet. Lane 3, the message for his successor. Moreover, there are also 4 lanes inside the tablet. Lane 1, the date of his birth. Lane 2 is about cemetery's location. Lane 3 is about the date of the funeral. Lane 4 is about the date of his death. Conclusion. This ancestral tablet or spirit nameplate is specifically for the spirit of Unlikto. The recording is done chronologically. The chronology in time is carried out on the basis of the traditional Chinese calendar. Apart from that, chronological recording based on the Chinese history, information provided regarding birth and death. Feng Shui is closely related to the direction of the tomb, which is believed to bring bad luck if the direction is not correct. The recording of the date, month, time is calculated based on the traditional Chinese calendar, while the name of emperors and dynasty need to be included as a reference for the year. The year of the establishment of the Republic of China, 1911. became the first year to mention the year of birth, death, and other events. This year was the convert to a traditional year calculated based on the combination of Tiancan and heavily subject Tizi earthly brands, a calculation to determine the name of the year, month, day, and month, Muden brands. The ancestral tablet is the characteristic of Chinese culture that issue words in the classical language are no longer used the modern language. In translating the text from the disparate nameplate, it required not only the ability to understand classical language, but also the ability to interpret the relation between characters based on the context. Knowing the meaning of a word through a dictionary alone cannot interpret the text.